Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to restore the theme back to default on the Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So let's say, for instance, if you chose a theme and you don't like it, or if you accidentally enabled a theme that you don't like it and you'd like to restore the theme back to default, it's pretty simple. So all you have to do is open settings. And then within the settings, scroll down and select personalization. And then scroll down again and select themes. Now give it a few seconds for it to load. Now at this point, all you have to do is select my account at the bottom right corner. And then from the options that appear, simply select themes. Now at this point, you'll see all the themes that are currently available. So if you'd like to restore it back to the default theme, simply select the default theme. So the default theme is the classic one. So select it. And then from the options that appear, simply select apply. So give it a few seconds. And there you go. You'll see the option applied successfully. Now you have successfully restored your theme back to default. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.